friends, and welcome back again in this voyage of the journey through the rigors of the mathematical functions. And we are just focusing more and more on the application of the integration, since in our portion we have to deal much only with the area part, the area bounded by the curve. So this time we are dealing with exercise 8.2, and the type of the questions here will be just a little different. Now I have copied these questions from the textbook, and this is 8.2 NCERT. Now the first question, that find the area between 4x square plus 4y square equals 9 and interior to x square. It says interior to another function which is x square equal to 4y. Now if you just pay attention to what is this is x square plus y square is 9 over 4, can be written as 3 over 2 whole square, and this represents a circle with the center 0 0 and the radius 3 by 2. So I draw a circle here. This is my circle. Okay, I need to draw a better circle, but the better circle should be, yes, better. So this is the circle with the center 0 0 and the radius 3 by 2. We'll write here this as 3 by 2 comma 0, and then we have to plot this x square equals 4y. So x square will be equal to 4y will be like this, and it says that in the interior to x square equal to 4y, means I think this is what they are asking for, these two. So first I have to find this one. These 2 points are identical. Since my graph is not uniform, that's why you're finding this point is just little below this, otherwise it should be just identical. So technically these should be, this point is here, so my graph should have been somewhere like this. Okay, so now I go to find out this is the point of intersection of these two curves. One is parabola which is x square equals 4y, and this is circle with the equations x square plus y square is 9 by 4. So since I have to solve these two equations to find out the point of intersection. Let me just name it as P. So here I have x square equals 4y. So at the place of this x square I write 4y. So 4y plus this is y square 9 over 4. Now cross multiply, 16y plus 4y square is 9. So it is 4y square plus 16y minus 9 is 0. Now we have to find the quadratic equation. This is 4y square plus 16. Then let's check whether can we factorize it or not. So 6 4s are is 4 9s are 36, and 36 18 2s are 36. Yes, I think 18. This 16 is 18y minus 2y minus 9 is 0, and this is 4y square plus. So you can take 2y common. This is 2y plus 9 minus 2. This is, I'll take minus 1 common. That also gives me 2y plus 9 is 0. So this is 2y plus 9, and this is 2y minus 1 is 0. So it means either y is half or y is just minus 9 over 2. Since our point P lies in the first quadrant, my friends, therefore I'll only accept the value of y as half. This is half, and let me find the corresponding value of x with respect to the value of y, that is half. So what is y is half? So now we have x square equals 4y, where y we have found as half. So this is x square is 4 and half. So x square is 2. So x is positive negative square root of 2. So this is just square root of 2. So the point of intersection of these two is just like that. Since we have to find the area enclosed interior to the graph x square is 4y, I need to draw a strip here, and this dotted line divides the whole required zone into two parts. This is part 1 and this is part 2. Now my strip will be moving from here like this. It will be sweeping the given zone horizontally, so vertically up and down, moving the point from P, that is O, 0, 0 to this point. So what is this point? This is 0, half, and then from this I'll move to 0, 3/2. So my required zone now becomes, first let me get rid of this useless shit. So our area A will be from y equals 0 to, from here to here, half. Y equals half. Then my strip is, one end is on y axis and then other end is on x axis. This is x part of this, that is x dy plus again y equals half to y is 3/2, and then the strip will be now moving like this. Okay, so I write this part first. So that is, again I can call it as x1 and this we can call it as x2 dy. It does not make any sense. Now this y is 0. I don't need to write this y 0 again. So 0, 0, and this is x. For this part the x is what? That is under root 4y, the 2 outside, and this is just y dy plus this is half and this is 3/2, and then what is the x2? Because this end lies on the circle. So what is the x for the circle? So you see that our circle is x square plus y square is 3/2 whole square. So x is 3/2 whole square minus y square, and everything you put inside the root. So here you get, this is under root 3/2 whole square minus y square, and this is dy. Now I find this 2, and integration of root y is just y to the power 3/2 over 3/2, and the limit goes from here 0 to half. I don't know why I haven't written here. So this is half. So 0 to half, and plus this part is again in the form of square root of a square minus x square, which gives me the formula for the y under root 9/4 minus y square over 2 plus a square by 2. So this is 9/4/2 will become 9/8. Sine inverse y over 3/2, this becomes 2y/3, and I put the limiting value, that is half to 3/2. Now this 2 comes here, becomes 4/3. If you put half there, this is just half to the power 3/2. We'll consider it just like this part is done. Now plus, for this part I am writing everything in the curly bracket. Now if you write 3/2 at the place of y, so 9/4 minus y square, that is 3/2 square, is also 9/4. So this part vanishes. Done. Now this is 9/8. Sine inverse y, and y is what? 3/2. This becomes sine inverse 1, that is pi/2. So pi/2. Now you go for this half. If you put half here, then what you get? Minus. And then if you put half here, then what you get? Half there. And then under root 9/4 minus half square, that is 1/4. That is under root 8/4, and that is 8/4 is what? 2. This is root 2/2. That is root 2/2. Then what do you get? Root 2/4. Root 2/4. And here if you put the value of y as half, then here you get plus 9/8 sine inverse y is half, means 2y is 1. This is 1/3. Now let's simplify. This is, so this one is root 2/4. This question is becoming a little lengthier, so have patience. Now root 2, first you find 1 by 2 whole to the power 3 by 2 is just 1 by 2 root 2. So this part becomes 4 by 3 into 2 root 2 plus, what is this? 9 pi by 16 minus root 2 by 4 minus 9 by 8 sine inverse 1 by 3. So this is 4, this is 2 root 2 and this is 2 root 2, this is root 2 over 3 and minus root 2 over 4 plus 9 pi by 16 minus 9 by 8 sine inverse 1 by 3. Now this part root 2, if you take root 2 common, so this is 4 minus 3 is 1 by 12. So this becomes 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. So that is root 2 by 12 plus 9 pi by 16 minus 9 by 8 sine inverse 1 by 3. This is my area. But they are asking us to find the area interior to this. So I find that this may be the area interior to this. Now how do you find the area of this part? Let me shade it with the red pen. So if I find the area of, yes, so if I find the area of this first sector, that is 1 by 4 pi r square. So 1 by 4 pi, what is r square? So radius is 3 by 2, this becomes 9 by 4. Okay, this one, got it? But we have to find this area and this area, because the whole portion is coming here and here, and we have found this part. So just I have to double this also. So if I double this, then what I get? 2a is root 2 by 6 plus 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse 1 by 3, and the double of this also will become 9 pi by, this is 16/8, so 9 pi by 8. So if I find my answer this minus this, then what I get? That is required area, that area A is 9 pi by 8. From this I have to subtract root 2 by 6, 9 pi by 8, and then this is minus 9 by 4 sine inverse 1 by 3. This like this. When this minus this, then you see what you are getting. Area is 9 pi by 8, 9 pi by 8 cancel, then you are getting root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4 sine inverse 1 by 3, and this is now it's matching with the answer. Now why I have to change all this thing? Because initially I considered that perhaps they are asking me to find this area, this and this, but the later when the answer was not matching, and then I paid attention again to the question, then I found that they are asking find the area between this and the curve interior to x square is 4y. So interior means this part. So using this rule, here I found the answer. Now I am very happy because finally I got the answer. My hard work is not wasted. I'll go to the question number next.